Hello everyone, this is Neil and welcome to Neil's World. You have a Facebook account and you upload a lot of photos and videos to Facebook, right? Do you want to have a backup copy of your photos and videos that are there in your Facebook account to your Google Photos or Dropbox? In this video, you will learn how to do that very easily. So let us begin the process by going into my browser window and showing you how to do this from your Facebook account. So here I'm already in my Facebook account. I'm logged in. You can start the process by going to your account button here and selecting settings and privacy, and then select settings. Once you're there in the settings page, go to your Facebook information tab. So select this Facebook information tab. Here you will find this option called transfer your copy of photos and videos here. So once you click here, you'll be taken to a page where you will be asked to provide your Facebook password. Even if you are already logged in, you will be asked to provide the Facebook password again. Enter your password and then click on the continue button. And you can directly go to this page if you don't want to log in don't want the hassle of going to the settings menu from your Facebook account. You can directly log in by putting this URL into your browser, facebook.com/dtp. Okay, now once you are in this page, you have some options. What you can transfer your photos or videos. Once you select any of those things, you can do it one by one. You cannot transfer photos and videos at once. You have to do it one by one, either photos or videos. The next step, suppose I am selecting these photos now. The next step, there are two options, filtering options, that you can back up all your photos at once, or you can select an album. If you select an album option, you have to click here, and here all your Facebook photo albums will be listed, and you can select the album which you want to back up or transfer to your Google Drive or Google Photos or any other destination or cloud service that are available that are supported by Facebook. So let us see. Suppose I am going to select an album, for example this mobile upload album, for example, for this purpose of this tutorial, and then you can select this option called choose destination. Here you will have these different cloud services which Facebook support to get your photos and videos transferred to. So Google Photos is my go-to backup service for photos. I use a Google Photos account where I directly upload my photos also. So I'll prefer using my Google Photos account. You can have Dropbox account. Kuufar and Backblaze B2 accounts are also supported. I do not have these two accounts, so I have Dropbox and Google Photos account. So I'll select Google Photos and click on next. So once you select Google Photos and click on next, you'll be taken to a Google page where you have to authenticate your connection between Facebook and Google. So I have multiple accounts, so if you have logged in to your browser, through your browser to multiple accounts, you have to select the account that you prefer to use for this purpose. I'm selecting one of my accounts. I have multiple accounts, so I'm selecting one of my accounts. So it may happen that you also may have multiple Google accounts or Gmail accounts. So please write in the comment whether you use multiple Gmail accounts or not. So I'm selecting this account for this purpose, and then you have to give access to Facebook. So I have already given access in my earlier work, so it is letting me know that you have already given access, Facebook access to Google Photos library. So here I'll click on allow. Once you click on allow, it will go back to the Facebook page. Now this is what it looks like. Our album that we selected in the earlier step is there, and then what we can do is we can click on confirm transfer. Once you select confirm transfer, the transfer process will start. The transferring, it's not exactly transfer, it will have a copy of all your photos to your Google Photos account. So once you click on confirm, let me click on it and let me show you. So it is now showing pending. So this may take some time depending on the number of files that is there in your photos or in your videos on Facebook, or the number of files that you have chosen. And this is in progress. So once it is completed, it will show something like this, completed, and you can stop the process also. So let me go ahead and stop it now. So I have stopped the process. So if you don't want the process to be completed, or if you no longer need that backup to be done, you can simply cancel or stop the process. And once the process is completed, you will be shown this complete button like a green tick mark. So this is how you can back up your photos and videos. Now I have shown using the photos option. Similarly, if you let me go back and say start the process again. If you select videos, you can select all of your videos or select a single video. So these are the options available, and then again you have to go back, go to the destination. If you select all of your videos, you can select destination out of these and then authenticate and confirm the transfer process. So this process is also intimated to you by means of emails. You will receive email regarding the process. When you start a process, you will receive an email, and once you confirm the process and once the process is completed, you will also receive an email, and then you can check your cloud service, cloud storage like Google Photos or Dropbox. There you will get your files transferred or files available on your Google Photos. So this is how you can do it using this option available in Facebook. Hopefully you find this option useful, and if so, let me know in the comments whether you like this option in Facebook or not. Let me know in the comments. To learn more about such features in apps and services, keep watching my channel. Do like this video if you found some value in it, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video very soon.